Hey people, we are at this place called Walking Street in Hyderabad. Ayush, feed the fishes. Oh, see, this is the first time ever. See, Bhaiya, what is Bhaiya's name? आपका नाम? Mohammed. Mohammed Irfan. So, wow, look at this. We normally don't believe that fishes can really respond or they can be pets. But it was so amazing that the fishes noticed us walking on this bridge and they came running for this thing. And the food is something very unique. It looks like, yeah, it feels like some, very fine grains, I think. But this is so interesting. These are called koi fish, I think. Koi. है ना? So, correct. Arey, see, Bhaiya is doing it. Wow. You want to feed Bhaiya? Wow. Because this is such an experience. Are you sure you share it with that Bhaiya also, na? So that Bhaiya also can feed it? Show, even I'd like to. Show. Oh, it is a satisfying feeling. So this is a cute place, yeah, Walking Street. We've come here on a hot afternoon. But feeding fishes, like I was telling Ayush, any kind of good is good. So you fed the thing. Oh, man, they are easily, how many fishes must be here, Ayush? Approximately? I think 50, yeah. But this is so fascinating. Yeah, because we are feeding them.
What about their feeding?
Yeah.
These one feeding.
Oh, there are fishes here also.
Yeah,
There's one random one fish. Two. Right? Correct. But this is just so cute and this is such an experience really. And I'd want to see how it feels to step inside.